Hi, this is your senior techie John, here to start another video on how I save money cutting the cord. This time we're going to be talking about free TV alternatives and what they can do for you. The first free alternative we'll talk about is digital antennas and how they are used. There are two types of digital antenna. There's an indoor one and an outdoor. The indoors hang on a wall or in a window. Usually you try to put them so they're aimed towards the direction of your local TV station's antennas. This will get you much better results. The outdoor one also needs to be adjusted that way. It can be put on your house or on a pole and then direction towards the station's antenna. Both are good options. The outdoor one does seem to work better than the indoor because of not having walls and other obstructions to go through, and plus you can get it up higher, but both do work. The next free alternative is free streaming TV. Below is a list of about 20 of the top streaming apps out there that are free, totally free, don't cost you a dime. I'm going to go over 3 of them just to show you what it's capable of. The first one I'll talk about is Pluto TV. It has over 250 channels that has your latest hit movies as well as full seasons of your favorite shows. The next one is Zumo TV. It has mostly news and history and things like that. If that's your bag, that's where to get it. The last one I'll talk about is Plex TV. It has over 200 channels, and it also can be used on your local computer and on Fire Sticks to actually share all of your local programs and stuff that you have stored. If you have movies stored on your computer or TV programs stored on your computer, Plex has a way to do all that from your computer, as well as free TV where they supply stuff. It's a pretty cool program. The great thing about these free apps is you can install one or all of them on your device. They'll work on Fire Stick, Roku, or your smart TV. Just have to download them and install them. Check them out. The only problem is if you install all of them, you're going to have thousands of channels to wade through. So find the ones that offer the content that you're interested in and only keep those. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back later with more goodies on how to save money by cutting the cord.